পারি না কত দূরে থেকে আমি যা বলবো আজকে
Así da, así da. Chao.
the years 2013 and 2014. We are indeed privileged to have amongst us Professor Taupati Mukhopadhyay, Pro Vice Chancellor, and Odhyogya, Rabindra Bhavan, Vishwa Bharati University, Shantiniketan, as our chief guest this evening. Every year in the convocation, diploma is conferred by the Tagore Society, Jamshedpur, upon deserving candidates in the fields of Rabindra Sangeet, fine arts, and decorative arts and craft. I would now request Mr. Ashish Chaudhary, General Secretary, Tagore Society, to kindly escort our chief guest, Professor Mukhopadhyay, Dr. H.S. Paul, President, Tagore Society, and Dr. Jawahar Banerjee, Chairman, School Committee, Tagore School of Arts, to the dais.
डायस के पास हो जाएगा, हाँ ओके देगा, डायस के पास जाएगा.
Agreed to take some time off their busy schedule and be present amongst us this evening. Your presence has made this convocation even more meaningful. Kindly accept these bouquets as tokens of our love and gratitude.
रहने.
I would now request Ashish sir to kindly present the memento to Dr. Mukhopadhyay. Thank you. Now I would turn to Dr. Paul and request him to kindly deliver the welcome address.
Dr. Taupati Mukherjee, Provost and Humanities and Principal, Rabindra Bhavan, Vishwa Bharati, our chief guest of this evening, Dr. Banerjee, Sri Ashish Chaudhary, members of Governing Council, Tagore Society, the students who have successfully secured these diplomas going to be conferred on them, ladies and gentlemen, and friends from media. It's a great pleasure on my part to extend a hearty welcome to all of you. We all know now we are living a life full of hardship and competition to excel in the respective areas of professionalism, without realizing that some strength in some attachment to art and knowledge is the only quality which give us identity from other creatures of the animal kingdom. It is expensive. We don't have time to devote but nevertheless it is essential. Any country, any nation, any community is known by how much it has contributed in the field of art, literature, drawing, drama and other things. This is not only a means of relaxation and enjoyment, but it gives a thread to bind the society with universal society for the bondage. It provides a bondage, and it leads to the development of the mind, which is essential. In this annual convocation today, we are indeed very fortunate to have Dr. Taupati Mukherjee amongst us. She is an authority in Sanskrit literature, and she has done MPhil and PhD in comparative literature from Jadavpur University, Kolkata. She is author of 5 books in Sanskrit and comparative literature, and she had edited more than 10 books, including one bilingual version of Tagore's Gitanjali. She has also excelled in the field of education as an administrator with various capacities. She was principal Vijay Krishna Girls College in West Bengal, registered Rabindra Bharati University, Kolkata, and first Vice Chancellor of Shido Kanu Disha University in Purulia, and at present she is Provost in Humanities and Principal Rabindra Bhavan, Vishwabharati. She has taken all the trouble to travel all the way from Shantiniketan, and has developed sprain in the back also. We are indeed grateful to you, madam, for coming to us and address the convocation. I welcome each and everybody present over here, and I think we should proceed for the function in conferring the diplomas to the students. And thank you again for all those who are present over here. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for your kind words. It is the time now to request Dr. Banerjee to present the report on the school.
Good evening, everybody, and a very warm welcome once again at the convocation ceremony of Tagore Society. Actually, this convocation is for 2 consecutive years, that is 2012-13 and 2013-14. And let me present before you a brief report of these 2 sessions. Friends, many of you are aware that we have 6 branches in different parts of the city, namely Kadma, Sonari, Baridi, Telko, Ilkeb, and of course the mother institution is here. Our session starts in June. So during the session 2012-13, the number of students we had were 2,320, out of which 1,890 appeared at the annual examination with a success rate of 98%. During the same session, number of students who appeared at the examination conducted by Prayag Sangeet Samiti Allahabad were 201, and they were in different streams like classical vocal, in dances, Bharatanatyam, Kathak, Odissi, as well as in tabla and guitar. Out of this 201, success rate was 97%. Number of students graduated during that year were 65, out of which 54 were from fine arts, 6 were from decorative art and craft, and 5 were in Ravindra Sangeet section. Friends, we have similarly impressive record in the next session as well, that is 2013-14. Although there was a slight fall in the number of students, this year we had students to the tune of 2,245, and out of that 1,798 appeared at the annual examination, again with very impressive success rate of 98%. Number of students that appeared at the annual examination of Prayag Sangeet Samiti were 217 with a result of 98.5%. Number of students graduated during that year, it was 42, out of which 32 were from fine arts, 2 were in Rabindra Sangeet and 8 were in decorative art and crafts. I congratulate all the students for their brilliant performance and sincerely hope that that would not be the end of their stint with this hobby. I am sure they will continue pursuing this again, and some of them might take up this as their vocation as well. I wish them all success in that. I take this opportunity to thank the parents and the teachers of this institution, because without their perseverance, commitment and dedication, this success would not have been achieved. So friends, please join me in expressing our appreciation to all of them. Thank you all.
Thank you, sir, for making us aware of the activities of the school. It is my proud privilege to request our chief guest, Professor Taupati Mukhopadhyay, to deliver the convocation address.
Namaskar. Dignitaries on the dais, respected President of Tagore Society, Dr. H.S. Pal, Reverend Secretary Sri Ashish Chaudhary, respected Chairman, Tagore School of Arts, Dr. Jawahar Banerjee, my distinguished teacher colleagues of school and Tagore Society, my near and dear students who are indeed happy to get their diplomas today, the unrespected guardians of the students, ladies and gentlemen. It is indeed a remarkable moment for me. And at the outset, I must record my profound gratitude and sincerest thanks for the organizers of this program of Tagore Society, who have made this moment indeed remarkable, since they have invited me to participate in this remarkable program and at the same time to deliver a convocation address on this very special occasion. I once again state and reiterate my expression of joy, my deep felt reverence and at the same time gratitude to all of them. It is indeed not only remarkable, but it is indeed laudable and significant that far from the madding crowd and outside the periphery of Bengal, where Rabindranath till death reigned supreme in both intellectual and popular arena, Tagore Society of Jamshedpur has ventured, not only ventured, but took upon itself the responsibility, the cudgel of propagating art, culture and education based on the ideals and philosophy of Tagore throughout the state, not only within the state, but the entire country